Hi, I am a loan officer and one of my clients was turned down by 5 banks. They still want to purchase this home. Can you help me?
Why, yes, I just might be able to. Let me ask you some questions. Where is the property located?
East Los Angeles.
I cannot help you.
Why not?
My private investors are scared. I mean, they are uncomfortable lending in that part of town.
What happens if they wanted to buy in outlying areas of Los Angeles, like San Bernardino or Riverside?
Sorry, they are both areas that my investors are scared of.
What happens if they are buying in San Francisco?
That is too far away.
Where do you lend?
We like to lend on loan amounts between $100,000 and $500,000 in Beverly Hills or Brentwood. Of course, we love beachfront properties in Malibu because our investors understand those areas and are comfortable lending to people that also live there.
Well, that kills 90% of my bank turned-down loans that I could have given to you. I do have a borrower that has a 700 credit score that is willing to put down 50% and is buying a $1 million home that he intends to occupy in Brentwood.
Sorry, I cannot do that either because we don't lend on owner-occupied properties. Can you pretend that they are not going to live there and lie about the occupancy?
No. I will not lie. What do you think, I am a broker from the era between 2003 and 2007?
Well, if you were, I would not want to pass that opportunity up, and I think maybe I could gather enough investors together to fund that loan.
Sorry, I am not going to lie. I do have another deal where a borrower from Manhattan wants to buy a second home on the sand in Malibu. He has a 700 credit score and $3 million in liquid assets in the bank.
Please tell me the home is in the Colony.
You're in luck. Yes, it is.
Great. What is the purchase price and how much is he putting down on it?
The purchase price is $3 million and he is willing to put 40% down.
Can you get him to put $2.5 million down? Because I know that I can raise $500,000 within a week or two.
Are you kidding me?
Okay. I was trying to work as little as possible and make my job easier. But I will take this deal on.
What will you charge?
My rates will be between 9% and 13%, and I will charge between 2 and 5 points.
I will send you the file. Can you narrow that down for me?
Of course. Your file looks good, so I can do 9.99% and 2 points.
Great. Can you issue me an approval?
We do not issue approvals. We issue a promise over the phone.
I cannot explain to my borrower that I only received a promise.
Well, I guess that if you're going to make me, I can produce a letter of interest.
Can't you give me a conditional approval?
I have no idea what that is.
Okay, let's proceed. Here is the appraisal, title, and the rest of the file.
Great. I will draw docs today.
Isn't there a federal mandated cool-down period? Don't you need to produce pre-disclosures?
What's that? Here are the docs. Get your borrower to sign them.
Okay, I will. Here are the signed docs. When will it fund?
Calm down. I am not a bank. I don't have the money in my bank account. Do?
What do you mean? I thought you were a direct lender.
No. That was just what I told you. I have to now go raise $1.5 million, and that means I have to get 15 of my investors to write a $100,000 check each, and get it all into escrow. So calm down, and check back with me in a week.
So, have you raised the capital yet?
No. I have only raised $700,000 of it. Call me back in another week.
So, it has been a week already. Have you raised it by now? The realtors are about to lynch me. My reputation is being tarnished. I trusted you, so when is it going to fund?
I have raised $1,200,000. Can your borrower put more money down? Also, One of my investors wants a higher yield now.
What kind of yield does he want?
12%. And he also wants some points, so I will have to charge a total of 4 points now.
Are you freaking out of your mind?
No.
So you want me to tell my borrower now, 2 days before this has to close, that he has to pay 12% and 4 points and also bring in another $300,000? Are you kidding me?
No.
I guess I have no choice and I will have to lower my points to save face. This really sucks. I cannot believe you would do this.
Do what?
Retrade me when my borrower is backed into a corner.
What is wrong with you? This is how it works. Deal with it.
You suck so bad.
What? Do you think I am like Athos Capital Group and actually do low-margin loans and keep my word like they do? Ha ha ha.